Hi, I am Summer with your WCCO at the State Fair newscast. We begin today's coverage with news from the haunted house. WCCO anchor Frank and Chris went in this morning, but they haven't come out. Witnesses who saw them enter said that they looked ready for anything, not scared in the least. That was 4 hours ago. A search party went in 30 minutes ago. Reports say that they can hear Frank and Chris screams, but they haven't been able to track them down yet. A mummy from the second floor says he saw the pair about an hour ago. He said they jumped and screamed and raced off before he could grab one. This is a developing story. We'll keep you updated on the search. Let's check in on the weather and traffic.
Hi, my name is Arza, and I had chocolate. Mhm. Mm, I have fish. Yes. Mhm. Daddy. My dad. It's sunny out today.
Okay, this just in. WCCO anchors Frank and Chris has been found. Searchers found them on the third floor, hiding behind a coffin. They're tired, thirsty, and still a little shaken after a long ordeal, but are expected to be okay. I am Summer.